In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Windows 11 lock screen background. So let's get started. You can enhance your device by displaying stunning images from around the world with Windows Spotlight or personalize it with your favorite memories using custom photo or a dynamic slideshow as your lock screen background. First, right-click Start button and from the options, click Settings. On the left panel, click Personalization. Now click Lock Screen on the right side. Here you will find an option Personalize your lock screen with a drop-down having options as Windows Spotlight, Picture and Slideshow. Choose Windows Spotlight for automatically updated beautiful photography. Windows Spotlight refreshes daily with images from around the world and provides tips and tricks to help you make the most of Windows. You can select picture, then choose a recent images or click browse photos to find and select the photo you want to use. Finally click choose picture. And finally you have an option to select slideshow. Then click browse to find and select the folder you want to use. Click choose this folder to confirm. If there are folders listed that you don't want in the slideshow, click remove next to those folders. Once you choose the preferred option, you can test to check if the lock screen is working correctly. To do that, press the Windows logo plus I on your keyboard to lock the device. The selected background should appear on the lock screen. So that is how you can change Windows 11 lock screen background. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.